Yes, not nice, Papa. I told you, you can eat more white.
It's your boy Luis Tavares. Dango Fede, it's your boy Luis Tavares. Chopes Gabay, Mancavang, Luis Mancavang, Waban, Cavang, RC, down in Petiwan.
Shovele Gabafit, it's your boy Chava Sox 39, they came Mr. Tentel, it's in Calabezungutan. If not, shoot not Ngempel, Adiwell.
Fede, Kaukailam, Frasman.
Hey, what's up? It is your boy Francois Butility, Mr. Nice and fresh and nice. If it's not fresh, it's not me, baby. You know the vibes. Shmai, Sox Tanga, I was jelly good to see you in the Senzanla.
Okay, give a faith in Yas, I'm Easter and happy Easter to everyone. So, guys, today's session 2 at Sogoza Easter tournament. So, Bugitis, since Jagunte sits under Samachi.
I feel the Sox, I was carried of the day.
Yeah, word of the day, I go cooking and so good, and much and so good to get influence and I see it. Chablela Naba, and you couldn't have also was a good Chable, Lumona and Gugu send down Tasekai.
Okay, Soxy. Ndobuzu prefera umntana wegay okanye oyisifebe.
Isifebe rikey.
Yeah.
Isifebe sophakisa ngekhe ike ngizoshanga empanga maye.
Okay.
Ngibona ngabnomntwana, yo anginanzana.
Afeni mzile. Okay, message you can tell your ex.
Message I can tell my ex. Siyabe kumnandi sonke mntasekhaya no hard feelings.
Fede, aje mpass France man, Fede.
Chava Sox Batin. Shout out to TikTok, yeah.
Okay, give a faith. Ithi vele ngizibize zonke wonke ama social platform ami. Mongawazi uye na Google ithi Chava Sox kuzovela guys. Yonke indawo ngitholakele TikTok, IG, Facebook, everywhere you go man, anywhere.
Yes. So, okay, Chava Sox. What's your love language?
Oh, love language nje amkuningi ngithola lapho spend for my quality time. Yini angithi abanye bathi izulu love language mara abanye bathi izulu nekuwabheka nje ayihla.
Ukhona wena la Chava Sox?
Obvious ngikwamele ngibe nomakoti ya.
Okay ke. Since wena uthi ukhona la waqhubela nini vele ushaya indlwabu?
Indlwabu into every day. What if namanje ngikhethe ukuyishaya for ngibone wena? Yabo ngenzeka kume nawe so ngikhethe ukuyishaya uzothi.
Okay, so Chava, now last question here. What language do blind people speak?
Angizanga.
What language do blind people speak?
Oh, uyazi manje.
Hey, manna. Blind man. Blind.
Blind ababoni so nje sila. Or bayabhala. Bhala njani? Hayi la bangazi. Hayi, wena baya akabazi cameraman. Hayi. Afeli.
Yeah, sure. Besiphethe umdanso. Dansa kakhulu Chava Sox. Yeah.
Waziwa indawo yonke Fede.
Thokoza yonke yamazi. Afeli Chava Sox things. Ayivala ngokwakho.
Okay ke bafethu asibe senza kanje niyazi mo sengithanda ukuthi koko obhekelela sengiphakathi yo DStv kumnandi ekhaya waha mara ke asekho lapho ithe rap sicela nonke nisubscribe and comment nisho noma yini amachita alifuna ayipush support bafethu sibonge.
Don't forget to follow Chava Sox. Danko Facebook, TikTok. You can search him on Google.